Now we're going to do the bed layout. There's several different options for laying the bed out, but what I'll do is, as we go through it, I'll show you how to do a single bed, or we have a large single bed this side and a slightly thinner single bed this side, or it makes a massive double bed. Okay, so I'll start from the beginning. The table, lift the table up and squeeze the leg, and underneath here, down at the bottom, I don't know if you can see this, there's two pieces just to pull forward, and as we drop it down we can lift the table up, and if you turn it round, the table stows behind the driver's seat, and there's a couple of clips there just to hold it in place. Okay, so then to make the driver's side passenger bed up, if you can see down here, come a bit closer, you can see these little things. They release the bed so you can pull it out forward, and then the back cushion just clips off. There's two silver clips. Put those little flaps down and tuck it in to the end. Bring that one up, and the same this side. Flip it down, bring it forward. Again, unhook the silver pieces, make sure that little flap's in. Line it nicely like that, so you've got it aligned, and then just gently push it down. And that gives us, I'm 6 feet tall, that actually gives us quite a nice single bed, very big sized. So then we go to do the other side. I don't know if you want to move over that side. There we go. Right, the backrest has got two retaining clips on this side and on this side, which then takes that big cushion off. Again, clippy thing here, just make sure that the rug's out of the way, and that slides forward, and then click it one more time to slide it all the way. Now that one pushes out to the middle. It's a little bit more awkward. That pushes in there, and again if you have to force it, then you're not doing it right. A couple of nights of doing that and you're absolutely fine. And the beauty of this one is you can sleep that way or you can sleep that way, because I believe there's about 4 inches difference between the two sides. So if you're slightly angled when you go to bed, you've got a choice of which way you sleep. So to bring that back up again, down the back here, pull this one over the top to there, we slide back, just push it back until it locks off, which is there. We slide that up and pop the little press studs on. That one's there, and that one's there. Okay. And again, flip this one up back, pop it on top and just slide it back home. Fold out that, put the two hooks on. Again, pick up the back on the top, fold those out. These are literally just to give the back of the seat a little bit of angle. That's all it is. So again, back into place. When you're very practiced at that, it takes some 5 minutes if that to put the beds up. Okay.